we are going to do the unboxing of this Sidande Spotlight. Every photographer needs this spotlight in his or her arsenal. So it comes with a box and a bag. Woo, this is amazing. In the box we have the spotlight itself. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it gorgeous? Can you see that? Wow. Now inside the box we have your manual and then USB Type-C to Type-A, and that's all in the box. Let's look into the bag and see what we have in the bag. It comes like this. Woo, amazing. A rubber cone. It is what you use to put on the Sidande. It fits like this. Can you see? It fits like this, and this is perfect. And then we have this one. So inside the bag, it's only these two things that comes in the bag. These are like patterns for different style of different effects. Like this, you want to have an effect like that. This particular one, this, and you know, it keeps going. It's up to 20 in here. So every photographer really need this. These things, they were made in a way that they are going to fit into this particular rubber cup, just like this. So let's look at it properly. This is really solid. Ooh, it's not, I don't think it's plastic. It's not plastic. And amazingly, you have places to, you know, screw it, the bottom here and here. And just a little away from that, you see the power button, and this is the only control you have from this thing. This other side of it, you see your USB Type-C port. From what I'm seeing here, this is an 8,400 mAh capacity light. This is amazing. Most power banks that you have there, they are not even up to 8,400, and this is 8,400 packed into this thing. And it's solid. In turning it on, you are going to press this guy. The light itself is not on, and if you don't do anything, this light still goes off. So it's a good check. If you're carrying this thing inside your bag and it's pressed against the bag, it's not going to turn on. I actually like this. It's a safety measure. For you to turn it on, you simply need to hold it down and rotate it. Once you rotate it like 2 times, the light is on. This is very bright, and I don't know whether I should show you because it's really bright. Let me try and show you. Can you see? It's bright. So I'm going to use it to do pattern on the background so that you see how you can use it in your photography, you know, to create amazing shots. To turn it off, you just need to press it once and hold it 3 seconds or 2 or 1. I don't even know, but you just press and hold, the thing goes off. Now, this cone comes like this. Remember, you saw it comes like this. So you pull it out and you go into these amazing stores, these amazing patterns, and you choose the one you need. Ooh, look at this. This is not paper, but this is not going to be strong. So this thing can break easily, the way I'm seeing it. You can actually use a compass and cut a cardboard paper and carve exactly what you want. This is the best part of it because you already have this. So this is a very fantastic device to have as a photographer in your arsenal. I'm going to put this one into the cone. These things are not difficult to put inside, so but you have to practice and practice. So this is what you have. So we are going to put it into this light. It's very simple to actually put it into the light. Remember, we go through our turning on, and you have to press. If you press it on, you rotate it. It's on. Woo! Look at that. I'm going to show you how it shows at the background. So I'm going to turn off my background light and show you. This is it on the wall at background. Can you see? There is a window here already, so the light is coming from the window. You might not be able to see properly, but I'm going to put it in another side to show you how it comes from the background. Now this is fantastic. We want to have this kind of pattern at the background of any photography you're having. You can always have it this way. You can change the color. Can you see? You can change to blue. This is white, perfect white. So you want to depict that there is a light coming from a window somewhere in the opposite direction and casting light where you are shooting do your production. This is a perfect tool to do that. Before I continue, the link to get this product is going to be on the description. So kindly go right now, get it from CAMERAjOINT, and we are going to ship it to you wherever you are in Nigeria. So guys, this is what I want to show you. You can see on the wall right now, you have the pattern that this light is creating. Now I can press it and go to red. I can press it and go to another color. You can see that the thing is changing. Remember, you have these colors to walk around with. So anytime you need it anywhere, the link to order this product is at the description below. So make sure you get this product. You definitely need it. You definitely need it. Having shown you all these amazing patterns, let's now talk about the things that I like and the things that I don't like about this light. But first, the things that I like the fact that it is very solid when you're holding it. It is very solid, right? And I like the fact that there is a protection for when you press it accidentally. For instance, no matter how you hold it like this, the light is not going to come on. It's very, very, very important. So pressing it accidentally, that has been taken care of. So when you pack your photography equipment and this thing is pressed even in your bag, you are sure that it's not going to come on. And the fact that it is 8,400 mAh power capacity, come on, this is amazing. This is amazing, and every photographer needs this thing, and it's going to last a ton. Again, the fact that you can mount it anywhere, whether here, it is a fantastic addition to have. So you are not going to be restricted to mounting it a certain way. So you can decide to mount it like this, you can decide to mount it like this, you can decide to mount it like this. This is an addition, to have. Now, one of the things that I don't like is the fact that you cannot get a defined focus with this. You are supposed to, or maybe I've tried, I cannot quite get it. For these things to be round, I have tried to see, okay, what can you really do being round, So apart from turning on, can you do anything as well? It blinks and it doesn't give me any, thing, So yeah, I've tried many of these things, so it's not giving me anything. But being focused, like the edges, you can see from here now, the edges are not very sharp, right? So when you're doing photography, especially you're having that background photography, you might need sometimes your edges to be sharp, but this guy is not giving you that sharp edges. So like you saw from the demo we did, or even from this particular one, you can see that the edges of these things are not sharp. Even when I zoom out, you can see it's not sharp. I thought maybe this thing, they will put the ability, maybe when you rotate it like this, you'll be able to somehow change the focus of this thing, to either sharp or blur. So yeah, this is just one of the downsides to this that I've seen. Again, it's a bit warm when you use it just for some few minutes, but apart from that, I don't think there's any other issue that I have with it, especially when you do a lot of beauty, fashion, even headshot photography is quite amazing. So consider picking this up. The link will be in the description. You have almost like 20 patterns at your disposal. Like I mentioned, you can always cut these things for yourself. You can cut this, so long as you have this cone, you can always cut, your pattern for yourself. But you've seen the patterns on the screen, and this is amazing. It's just fantastic. So thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Victor, and this is CAMERAjOINT.